The Emilia Romagna Grand Prix in Italy has been cancelled due to heavy flooding in the region. Formula One personnel were advised to stay away from the Autodromo Enzo e Dino Ferrari due to severe weather warnings. The decision was taken by local authorities and race organisers and was deemed necessary for the safety of fans, teams and personnel. Italian officials confirmed that the flooding had killed at least 5 people in the wider Emilia-Romagna region, while around 5,000 had been evacuated from their homes. The race is unlikely to be rescheduled due to the congested nature of the sports calendar.